best Safari features Google Chrome should offer. This highly advanced modern era offers netizens a deluge of browsers to choose from, with the most popular ones being Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Opera. Although the cross-platform similarity of features and functionalities is not in the literal sense, the difference of OSs makes the line of division. This means that some of Apple's Safari browser features are confined and exclusive to Apple devices only, and in the same manner, some are caged within Windows or Android operating systems. This is why GadInsider is here to shed light on the best Safari features which Google Chrome should offer. The reason being the unmatched prominence of both browsers. Bottom-mounted address bar. Bring the address bar from top to bottom. This change in the search bar's positioning on Safari with iOS 15 makes it convenient to commit one-handed surfing, which would be immensely helpful with smartphones with bigger displays than usual. Relocated tab bar. Shift the tab bar from top to bottom. Like the previous one, the transition of this feature in Safari makes it easier to manage tabs and access key controls without stretching your fingers and causing muscle strain. Controls at the bottom. Safari has now moved hair controls, access to tabs, and history at the bottom from their previous position on top.